Let me guess.
You're tired of hearing, yeah, that sounds great. Let me think about it. When you pitch your high-ticket fitness program, let's fix that. My name is Mitch with New Results Marketing, and today we're talking about crafting offers high-ticket clients can't resist. So if you're a fitness professional or a personal trainer struggling to get clients to commit to your program, stick around. I'm going to share 4 simple steps to transform your offer and reveal the #1 mistake most fitness professionals make that drives clients away. Let's talk about what's actually bugging you. You've created a solid program. Maybe it's loaded with advanced techniques, accountability, and meal plans, but sometimes when you mention the price, clients just hesitate. Your total investment is $2,999. That sounds great, but I'm just not sure. Or worse, they disappear. Where'd he go? So most of the time, it's not your sales skills, it's actually your offer. Many fitness professionals focus on what they think is valuable, but if it doesn't resonate with your client's deep desires, it won't sell. So let's walk through the 4 steps to change that and create an irresistible offer. Let's go. So step 1 is all about focusing on the transformation and not just your services. High-ticket clients aren't paying for just sessions or meal plans. What they want and what they're paying for is a true transformation. One thing you might want to do is focus on the outcomes that your potential clients want instead of just listing your services in your ads. For example, an ad could read, "Join my 6-week challenge." You see a lot of those around nowadays. Or you could have a headline of an ad saying, "Imagine shredding 20 pounds and confidently wearing your favorite clothes again." That would be very much more impactful than the other one. So step 2, discover their emotional why. Go deeper than surface level goals like, "Hey, I want to lose weight." Ask them, why does this matter to you? What your life will change if you reach this goal? Yeah, one thing I want to do is I want to keep up with my kids and I want to be there long term for them, you know? That hit home, right? Now, this is actually personal to me. I faced cancer last year. I wasn't sure if I was going to make it. I wasn't sure if I was going to be there for my kids long term, you know? So being healthy means everything to me now. That is my why behind my goal of staying healthy myself. When you connect to the real motivation, your offer becomes more than just say a fitness plan or a health plan or a meal plan. It becomes a life-changing solution. Real quick, if you're ready to build a high-ticket offer or you want to tweak your offer just a little bit, go to newresultsmarketing.com, send us a message, and we'll jump on the phone and we'll see how we can make your offer irresistible. Step 3, address specific pain points with solutions. So clients hesitate when they don't believe that your program solves their struggles, their pain, whatever it is that they're trying to solve. Remember, people buy certainty. I'm going to say that again because this is so vitally important for you to understand. People buy certainty. You want to highlight how your program addresses their pain points. One example of this is, say your potential client has failed multiple times with fad diets, which is very common. You know, emphasize your personalized nutrition coaching program that is tailored to their lifestyle. That will address that pain point. When your potential clients see that your program solves specific problems that they are facing, they stop comparing it to every other option out there. And they're more willing to take a look at your option and ultimately work with you. Step 4, creating urgency with scarcity and outcomes. Clients delay decisions without urgency. You've heard it.
I'm gonna have to talk to my wife about that one. Let me check my budget. And let me ask my dog. Wait, what is happening right now?
This isn't about pressure. It's about giving them a reason to act now. But honestly, that's one of the greatest gifts you can ever give someone that wants to transform their life into something that they've never maybe achieved before that's going to greatly benefit their life, is get them to act right now. One really good strategy for personal trainers and fitness coaches is to say something along the lines of, "I only take on 5 clients a month to give you my full attention." Now, this has got to be true. So if you can take 10 clients a month or 2 clients a month, whatever it is, you want to put a number on so they think that your time is limited because it actually is. You don't want to lie about this. You want to be very truthful, okay? Another thing you could say is, "Start now and you'll be ready to hit your goals by this event date," such as a wedding that's coming up. If you start now, you'll have the best chance of reaching your goals for that date, and that's going to be a special day for you. So urgency isn't just a sales tactic. It's a way to help your clients take the first step towards their goals instead of staying stuck. Now, we both know if people do not take an action or make a decision, nothing happens. It's usually more of the same. So what our job is in our sales conversations, when we're presenting what we have to offer, help them take the first step. That is one of the greatest gifts you can ever give someone. All right, now with that said, let's do a recap. Step 1, focus on the transformation, not just your services. Step 2, discover their emotional why. What is the meaningful why behind that goal, and speak to that, all right? Step 3, address their specific pain points with what you have to offer. Step 4, create urgency with scarcity and outcomes. When you do this, you're not just selling a program anymore. You're providing a clear path to the results they truly want. Now, with that said, I really appreciate you for being here. What is your biggest takeaway from this video? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear it. And as always, if you would like help applying this to your business, go to newresultsmarketing.com, send us a message. We'll review your offer. We'll take a look at it and we'll tell you how we can make it better for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, hit the notifications so you never miss any more tips to grow your fitness business. We'll see you in the next video.